Welcome back. What we can now do is we can open the Copilot sidebar. And what we can do is we can first summarize the entire document. And we're going to ask Copilot to summarize our document. Now, because we're going to reuse this summary, we want to make the summary shorter. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make a shorter summary. And once more, we're going to make the summary shorter again. And so now that we have our shorter summary, we're going to copy it and we're going to leave it in the clipboard. And we're going to keep it because we're going to be using it inside of another application. What we can do now is we can make changes to the appearance of the document. And we can do that with the Designer tab inside of the document where we are not restricted to use our changes for non-commercial use. Because this is a paid application, we can expect that we will be able to use any changes or designs in our for-profit work. We're going to go to the Designer area. What we're going to do here is we're going to click Designer. That's going to open up a different panel. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to choose which elements we want to see. If we don't see the pattern that we like, we can choose more themes. And once we feel that we have the right pattern, we can select it, and then Microsoft Copilot will make the changes in the document. If we like the changes, we can keep them. If not, we can go back, we can undo the changes, and we can look for the template that we like. And once we have the template that we like, we're now ready to save the final copy of the document. However, we do have our summary in our clipboard, and we will be using it in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.